Have you ever cut up clothes in the dressing room of a Savers or your local thrift store? Well, I did. And with just a pair of scissors and a needle and thread, you can upcycle a dress into a bodysuit right in the dressing room. Hi, I'm Angelina, and literally in 5 minutes, you can make a bodysuit. Yes, you. This is by no means going to be a perfect sewing job, but this project is for those renegades out there that don't want to wait until they're perfect to upcycle some amazing stuff. These are the 2 dresses that I chose to make into bodysuits. If you want to see all the options that I found in my mystery thrift flip challenge and why I chose these 2, definitely check out that video next. Okay, step 1. Try on the dress. If it's just one layer like this, I would definitely try it on inside out. It'll just make everything easier. Next, I didn't bring pins with me, so I'm simply going to cut it right on my body. However, this is not the easiest way to do it. So I would recommend that you take some safety pins and place them along the line of your underwear if you're wearing granny panties like me. But honestly, you can really have any type of cut that you like. If you want to have a boy short cut, then wear boy shorts. If you want to have a thong cut, then wear a thong. Here's a freeze frame. You're going to add pins anywhere. You're also going to want to add a flap going down the middle of the front and back to go between the leg area. Now you can take it off and cut along the pins. Definitely keep the front and back panels longer than you think they need to be for right now. Now try it on once more and pin it in the crotch area. This time you'll definitely want to try it on inside out so you don't have to transfer your pin to the inside in order to sew. Now that you have the middle area pinned, you can cut off the excess. Next, we'll thread our needle and make a knot at the end. Now look, my hand sewing game is not tight, so I'm going to show you how I did it. And just know that it's already been washed and worn and it's still going strong. So I'll show you here. What I'm going to do is take my needle through the fabric for the first time and 1/2 inch away from the edge. Then I'll come back up about 1/4 inch away. Then I'll put the needle back in between the 2 previous punctures and come back out ahead of the last puncture. Then you'll do it again. Put the needle back between the previous 2 punctures and up ahead of the last one. When you get to the last stitch, go back in the same spot a couple times. Then wrap the thread around the needle and pull through to make a final knot. Then you can just cut your thread. Lastly, you can go ahead and cut it even if it's not already that way. So there you have it. This is a stretchy knit that doesn't fray, so I'm not worried about hemming the edges. If you do choose to hem the edges, don't forget to leave extra room for seam allowance when you're pinning it along the underwear line. I really hope this project inspires you to try a little sewing, even though you may not be perfect at it, so that when you go to the thrift store to find your back to school clothes or your clothes celebrating your kids going back to school, bye, bye, bye. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. If you found this helpful, please share it with another renegade who really wants to learn how to upcycle. And definitely subscribe if you want to take your wardrobe to the next level. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye.